In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the output location and set a default folder in Adobe Media Encoder. Whether you're new to Adobe Media Encoder or just looking to streamline your workflow, this tutorial will guide you through these tasks, making the media encoding process smoother and more efficient for you. So, let's begin by looking at how to change the output location for a specific file or job. First, make sure you've added your file or job to the Queue panel in Adobe Media Encoder, commonly referred to as AME. Adding files to the queue is straightforward, but the key is to ensure that each file is lined up and ready to be encoded. Once your job is queued up, you'll notice a blue output file path displayed next to the job. This is where your file will be saved after encoding, but we're here to customize that. Click on this blue path. Doing so will open up a File Save dialog box. Here, you get the chance to browse your computer's directory, allowing you to find the perfect location for your encoded file. Select the folder you prefer, and if you'd like, take this opportunity to rename your file before you save it. Once you've decided, click on the Save button. With this change, the job's output location now reflects the folder you've selected. So, when you press Start Queue, your file will render directly to that designated folder, simplifying your file organization and retrieval process. Now, moving on to set a default folder for all of your future jobs, a setting that saves even more time and effort. If you're on a Windows computer, go ahead and open the Edit menu, and then click on Preferences. For Mac OS users, you'll want to start by clicking on Adobe Media Encoder at the top of your screen, then choose Preferences from that drop-down and click on General. Upon opening the Preferences dialog box, make sure you're under the General tab. Here, look for an option called Specify Output File Destination, or something similar. This setting allows you to pre-select a folder where all future jobs will be saved by default. Enable this option, and then browse to select the folder that will serve as your default location. Once your choices are made, click OK to save these changes. With this setup, whenever you add new jobs to AME, the software will automatically default to using your specified folder as the output location. This step greatly enhances your workflow efficiency, saving time otherwise spent navigating directories. By following these steps, you're all set to handle your media encoding tasks with more ease and organization. Thank you for watching, and happy encoding.